The problem with this car is that the car engine cranks but does not start. Why does the engine not start? How to solve the problem? So watch the full video. If your car has this problem, you can definitely solve it, inshallah. The car battery is good and the fuel pump pressure is fine, but it does not start. What is the problem? That the car engine does not start, so I will check it with the instant computer. Keep the ignition switch in the on position to check with the scan computer. Now I click to see what the fault code is. Read fault codes. Engine code p0340 cam angle sensor signal. Code p0340 indicates that there is a problem with the electrical wiring in the circuit connected to the camshaft position sensor. The vehicle's camshaft sensor is damaged or not working properly. Also, your powertrain control module, PCM, may also be damaged. First, turn off the ignition switch. Where is the camshaft sensor located? The camshaft position sensor is usually located in the cylinder head of the engine and consists of a cylindrical part that inserts into the head. The crankshaft position sensor is usually a cylindrical part on the timing cover or side of the block that is inserted into the block. Check the socket of the camshaft sensor wire connection for any problem. See if one wire is cut and disconnected between the two wires in the camshaft sensor socket. Engine cranks but does not start due to camshaft sensor wiring problem. First, open the socket to connect the camshaft sensor wire. The cable is disconnected very close to the socket. This is where connecting the cable becomes a problem. I will change the camshaft sensor wire socket and connect a new wire socket. First, I connected the new socket to the sensor. Connect the old two wires to the wires of the new socket. After completing the wiring, I will enter the car to clear the engine code with the ISCAN computer. Turn the ignition key switch to the on position to clear the engine code. Click Clear Fault Code to clear the engine code. The commands of clearing fault code were done. Please read fault code again, enter return to menu. Now click on Read Fault Code to view engine code again. Clear the engine code. Now there is no fault code. Now I will start the car engine and see if it starts or not. Engine started, no problem. If your car does not have any problem of wearing, then check signal of camshaft sensor. If problem, change it. Stop the car engine, start and start the engine again. No more problems starting the engine. Please watch the full video. If you have any problem to understand after watching the video, then please comment.